Did you know that 90% of adults have experienced a cavity by the age of 21? That's a staggering fact that is unfortunately true. Our teeth are constantly under siege, and the battle against cavities, gum disease, and other oral health issues is real. The importance of proper dental care cannot be overstated. It's a daily commitment, a lifelong journey. But what if there was a better way? If you're tired of the cycle of fillings and dental visits, we have some exciting news for you. There exists a book, Kiss Your Dentist Goodbye, that proposes a radical shift in caring for our teeth. Penned by Dr. Ellie Phillips, this compelling read introduces us to a new paradigm in dental care. Dr. Phillips, a dynamic and forward-thinking dentist, challenges conventional wisdom, presenting a unique approach that's both effective and accessible. She champions a collection of products, each with its own role to play in the dance of dental defense. ACT Anti-Cavity Mouthwash, for instance, is a key player, providing necessary fluoride to strengthen our enamel. Then there's Closest Mouthwash, a gentle warrior that neutralizes harmful bacteria without disrupting the balance of our oral biome. Listerine Cool Mint Mouthwash is the finishing touch, ensuring a fresh and invigorating clean. And let's not forget the Crest Cavity Protection Toothpaste, a trusted ally in the fight against tooth decay. Lastly, she recommends mints or chewing gum with xylitol, a natural sweetener that helps keep our mouth's pH balanced. Dr. Phillips's paradigm shift can revolutionize your oral health care. So, let's delve into the scientific basis of Dr. Phillips's approach. Firstly, we must understand the role of plaque in our mouths. Plaque is a sticky film of bacteria that constantly forms on our teeth. When we consume food, particularly those high in sugars, these bacteria produce acids that attack tooth enamel, leading to tooth decay and cavities. Dr. Phillips's method advocates a combination of products that work in harmony to combat these issues. The ACT Anti-Cavity Mouthwash, for instance, contains fluoride, a mineral that strengthens tooth enamel and reduces the ability of plaque bacteria to produce acid. By using this mouthwash, you're essentially fortifying your teeth against bacterial attacks. Next, we have Closest Mouthwash. This product has a unique selling point. It's gentle on the mouth, yet powerful enough to kill 99.9% of harmful bacteria in just 10 seconds. Its active ingredient, stabilized chlorine dioxide, eliminates volatile sulfur compounds, the culprits behind bad breath, and disrupts plaque formation. Then there's Listerine Cool Mint Mouthwash. This product not only gives your breath a fresh, minty scent, but also contains essential oils with antiseptic properties, further reducing plaque and gingivitis. In addition to these mouthwashes, Dr. Phillips recommends Crest Cavity Protection Toothpaste. This toothpaste has a proven track record in fighting cavities thanks to its fluoride content that helps repair weakened enamel. Lastly, we have mints or chewing gum with xylitol. Xylitol is a natural sweetener that bacteria cannot metabolize, thus reducing acid production in the mouth. Moreover, chewing stimulates saliva production, which naturally cleanses the mouth and neutralizes acids. Together, these products form an effective oral care routine that not only freshens breath but also protects against tooth decay and cavities and improves overall oral health. They work in unison to disrupt plaque formation, reduce acid production, strengthen tooth enamel, and maintain a healthy oral environment. It's not magic, it's science. Science that can save your teeth and wallet. You might be skeptical, and that's understandable, so let's talk about the evidence and success stories. Indeed, the proof is in the pudding. Many individuals who have embraced the Kiss Your Dentist Goodbye method have seen transformative results. Take, for instance, Jane from Seattle. She suffered from chronic gum disease and frequent cavities. But after adopting this regimen, she's been cavity-free for 3 years, and her gum health has significantly improved. Or consider the case of Mark from New York. Mark was on the verge of needing a root canal due to severe tooth decay. However, after following the recommended routine, not only did he avoid the dreaded root canal, but his overall oral health has been on an upward trajectory. These are not isolated cases. There are countless others who have found success in this method, and the scientific evidence backs them up. A study published in the Journal of Dental Research found that using a combination of the recommended mouthwashes and toothpaste led to a significant reduction in plaque and gingivitis over a 6-month period. On top of that, research conducted by the International Journal of Dental Hygiene found that the use of xylitol, a key ingredient in the suggested mints and chewing gum, is highly effective in preventing tooth decay. A meta-analysis of several studies by the Cochrane Oral Health Group concluded that fluoride toothpaste, such as Crest Cavity Protection, reduces cavities by 24% in adults and children. Furthermore, ACT Anti-Cavity mouthwash was found to be especially effective in preventing tooth decay, thanks to its high fluoride content. In a nutshell, the scientific community's consensus aligns with the paradigm proposed in Kiss Your Dentist Goodbye. It's not just hearsay, it's not just anecdotal. It's backed by rigorous research and countless success stories. So, cast away your doubts. The evidence is clear, the testimonials are compelling, and the results are tangible. It's not just about having a brighter smile or fresher breath. It's about taking control of your oral health, preventing painful and costly dental procedures, and improving your overall quality of life. These stories and evidence provide a compelling argument for this paradigm shift. Now let's discuss how you can integrate this into your daily routine. Begin with a morning ritual. Upon waking, reach for closest mouthwash, a gentle yet effective formulation that neutralizes bad breath while also helping to kill harmful bacteria. Swish it around your mouth for about 1 minute, then spit it out. Next, grab your Crest Cavity Protection toothpaste. This fluoride-packed powerhouse helps to fortify the enamel of your teeth, providing a robust defense against cavities. Apply 2 pea-sized amounts on your toothbrush and clean your teeth thoroughly for 2 minutes. Once you've finished brushing, it's time for a rinse with Listerine and ACT Anti-Cavity mouthwashes. These fluoride rinses help to strengthen your teeth and protect them against decay, providing an extra layer of protection. Like with the closest, swish for 1 minute, then spit. Your morning routine is now complete, but we're not done just yet. Throughout the day, indulge in mints or chewing gum containing xylitol. This natural sweetener not only satisfies your sweet tooth, but also provides significant dental benefits. Xylitol helps to neutralize acid in the mouth and promotes saliva production, both of which aid in preventing tooth decay. As the day winds down, it's time for your evening routine. Once again, rinse with closest mouthwash, brush with Crest toothpaste, and finish with Listerine and ACT Anti-Cavity rinse. Now, for the final touch, a Mentos chewing gum. This product is a fantastic nightcap for your teeth, leaving your mouth protected and feeling fresh and clean as you head to bed. Remember, consistency is key in this routine. Just as with any other health regimen, the benefits of these products are best realized with regular sustained use. With these simple changes, you could be on your way to healthier teeth and fewer dental visits. So why not give it a shot? After all, your smile is worth it. We've covered a lot of ground today, but the journey to healthier teeth starts with a single step. We've delved into the revolutionary paradigm shift offered in the book, Kiss Your Dentist Goodbye. We've examined the science behind this method, hearing about how products like ACT Anti-Cavity mouthwash, closest mouthwash, Listerine Cool Mint mouthwash, Crest Cavity Protection toothpaste, and xylitol-infused mints or chewing gum can transform your dental care routine. We've heard the compelling success stories and seen the evidence that supports this approach. We've even offered a glimpse into the new routine that this book proposes. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. To truly understand and implement this method, we encourage you to read Kiss Your Dentist Goodbye for more detailed information. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks. Check out the link in the description for the recommended products. Thank you for watching, and here's to a healthier smile.